Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Stephanie B, and today I plan on cleaning out my refrigerator. So the holidays have come and gone, and I just finished grocery shopping, and I probably should have cleaned out the refrigerator before I went grocery shopping, but things happen. So before I cluttered it up, I wanted to clean it out. So I'm gonna not do a deep clean, but just kind of a quick take everything out and wipe everything down and clean it out. So come along with me. So I started off with taking everything out of the refrigerator. And it's amazing like how much stuff you have inside of your refrigerator. Or at least I feel that way about mine. I'm always like, wow, when did we get here? So after I took everything out, I wiped down all of the bottles so that they would be ready to go back in the refrigerator when I was done cleaning it out. So originally I decided I was going to use my Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in the radish scent, but I quickly decided that that was not the way to go. There was more stuff in the bottom of the bins than I thought there would be. So I ran some hot soapy water and decided I would just wash them all out. So you'll see that I start taking bins out and washing each one of them. So after I washed all of the bins, I just took a paper towel and dried the inside of them out. Then I flipped them over on a dish towel and let them dry while I washed out the rest of the refrigerator. I just got one of my cleansing cloths that I have, and I used the soapy water that I was also using to wash out the bins to wipe everything down.
I'm not gonna be there for you, 'cause you were never there for me. Don't go ask me what you did wrong. Ignorance will never see. No, wasn't it for me? Why don't you just let it be? I gave you 1, 2, and 3 times that wasn't my good. You're not on your knees. Wasn't it for me?
For the most part, everything was pretty easy to clean off, except for I had one spot at the very bottom of the refrigerator. You guys know, like something dripped from one of the bins or from some juice boxes or something that would not come up. Like I had to bring out the spray and spray it like multiple times to get it to come up. But I finally got it all up. And I won't lie, I had the hardest time getting that bottom bin back in. Jay laughed at me so hard because I was like, man, how smart do you have to be to get to go back in there? It came off so easily. So once I was done wiping down all of the bins and the rest of the refrigerator, it was time for me to start putting the food back into its appropriate places. This is kind of fun for me because I like to group like things and make it easier for the family to gather things and grab what they need, and also for the boys to know like where their snacks are, where their juice boxes are, and it just helps them to be a little more independent as well.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I could be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't want to be trapped in a box. I just wanna go my own way, 'cause I am on my way.
So in this bin, this is where I keep all of the boys' snacks, their juice boxes, cheese sticks, applesauces, everything that they'll need for a snack. And I just love that they can come in and get it when they want it. So this is the finished product. My refrigerator is finally clean. It looks nice and everything has a home. Thank you guys so much for coming to clean with me. I hope I was able to give you a little cleaning motivation. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.